Hello friends, through this video we shall learn how to find squares of numbers using different methods. The first method is using identities. In previous classes we have studied some of the identities like a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. To find the square of numbers, we can use these identities. For example, suppose we want to find out the square root of 36, then this can be written as 30 plus 6 to give the form of a plus b. Now here in place of a there is 30 and in place of b it is 6. So it becomes 30 plus 6 whole square. Applying this identity, we have 30 square plus 2 into 30 into 6 plus 6 square, and which gives 900 plus 360 plus 36, and their total is 1296. Thus, square of 36 is 1296. Similarly, if we want to find out the square of 97, so this can be written as 100 minus 3. Here we can write it also as 90 plus 7. Then we will apply this identity, and if we write 100 minus 3, then we will apply a minus b whole square. This is a, this is b. So it gives 100 square minus 2ab plus b square, and the result is 9409. In short, we can calculate the square of 36 as this is a square means 3 square, this is 2ab that is 3 into 6 into 2, and this is b square means 6 square. Now take the units digits of each the number, and the digits written on the left hand side will be taken as carry. So it gives 6, this is the first digit of this, that is unit digit, then carry 3 to this number and 8, result is 39. So now 9 is to be taken here and carry 3 here. So total is 9 plus 3, 12. So in this way 1296 is the square of 36. Other shortcut calculation is write square of 3 as 9 and square of 6 as 36. Then 2ab that is 36 here, leaving this digit. Now 8, 6, 6 and 3 9, and 9 3 12. Using this method, we can calculate the square of any number within no time. Now square of 97, we have written square of 9 here. This is 2 times AB, that is 2 into 9 into 7, 126, and the square of 7 is 49. Now take the unit digit of these two numbers, leaving the last number. So you will take 9 here in answer part, carry this 4 to this number and 8, this gives 130. Now 0 will be taken as here, this will make the part of answer, and carry this 13 to this number, and total is 94. Now put entire this number here. So in this way 9409 is the square of 97. 102 square, using the same way, square of 10 as square of 9 has been written here, square of 3 has been written here. So square of 10 will be written as 100 here. Then square of 2 will be written as 04 because this is a single digit number. So we will make its 2-digit number as 04 and write 2AB, that is 2 into 10 into 2, that is 40 here, leaving this ones place digit as written here, and find the total. 4 is 40401. In this way 10,404 is the square of 102. Now next method, a square of a number having 5 as its units digit. This method is applicable for the numbers whose ones digit is 5. Suppose we want to find out the square root of 25, 35, 45, 55, 95, 105 and so on. So the method is write this number here, then one more, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3. Multiply these two numbers and write here square of 5, which is 25. So this is 2 into 3, 6, then 25. This is 3, then we have to write 3 into 4, which is 12 and 25. 4 into 5 means n into n plus 1, that is 4 into 5, which is 20 and 25. 5 into 6, 5 6 is 30 and 25. 10 into 11, this is 110 and 25. In this way we can calculate the squares of such numbers in no time. Now third method, where we have to take a base number as 50. For this, a learner must learn at least squares of numbers from 1 to 30 to find out the square root in no time. Here two cases arises. If the number whose square is to be find out is less than 50. अगर नंबर जिसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालना है अगर वो 50 से कम है, एक केस, और दूसरा केस ये है कि नंबर जिसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालना है वो 50 से ज़्यादा है. सपोज वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर ऑफ 27. Here 27 is less than 50 by 23. So we will subtract this from 25. 25 minus 23 and plus square of 23. 50 में से वो नंबर जितना कम है उस नंबर को 25 में से माइनस करना. जब कम है तो कम करना है, ज़्यादा होगा तो ज़्यादा करेंगे, और जितना कम है उसी का स्क्वायर यहाँ पर लेना है. तो इसका डिफरेंस 2 आ गया, ये लिख दिया, और 23 का स्क्वायर 529 होता है. उसमें 2 डिजिट यहाँ रखना है और 3rd डिजिट से यहाँ रखना है. इनका टोटल करना है और ये 729 इसका स्क्वायर आता है. इसी तरीके से 33 का स्क्वायर अगर निकालना है तो 33 50 से 17 कम है, इसको 25 से कम करेंगे. 25 माइनस 17 plus square of 17. This difference is 8 and square of 17 is 289. So you will write it as here and add. So you will get 1089 as the square of 33. (49) square is to be find out. Since 49 is less than 50 by 1, So we will subtract 1 from 25 and write 1 square. So this gives 24 and square of 1 will be written as 01 and their sum becomes 2401. Case 2. If the number whose square is to be found out is more than 50. For example, if we want to find out the square of 57, since 57 is greater than 50 by 7, so we will add 7 in 25 and write square of 7 as here. This is 32 and square of 7 is 49 and their sum is 3249. So square of 57 is this. Square of 63, as 63 is greater than 50 by 13, so we will add 25 plus 13 and then write 13 square. This is 38 and square of 13 is 169. This will be written like this and their sum is 9693, 3969. Now square of 78, 78 is greater than 50 by 28, so we will add 28 in 25 and write square of 28. This is 53 and square of 28 is 784, which will be written as this and their sum is 6084. Square of 92, 92 is greater than 50 by 42, so we will add 42 in 25 and write 42 square. This is 67 and square of 42 is 1764, which will be written like this and their sum is 8464. Similarly, we can calculate square of 84. Another way to find out the square of a number is by taking base number as 100. अगर नंबर 100 के आसपास है तो हम उसे 100 बेस लेते हुए कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे ये यहाँ पर बताया गया है. Suppose we want to find out the square of 77. Since 77 is less than 100 by 23, so we will subtract 23 from the number itself and write 23 square. Their difference is 54 and the square of 23 is 529, which will be written like this and then add. So we will get 5929. Similarly, 89 square, since 89 is less than 100 by 11, so we will subtract 11 from 89 itself, which gives 78 and write 11 square, which is 121 and 8 like this. And the result is 7921. Now square of 118, since 118 is greater than 100 by 18, so here we will add 18 in the number because this is more than 100 and write 18 square. Their sum is 136 and square of 18 is 324, which will be written like this and their result is 13,924. Another way, using pattern of special types numbers. This is applicable for special types number like 11, 111, any number containing 1 only. Here square of 11 is 121, then 111 square will be written as 123, 123, then reverse to 1. Here number of 1 is 4, so we will proceed 1, 2, 3, 4, then backward 3, 2, 1. Here it contains 5 ones, so its square will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then reverse 4, 3, 2, 1. This contains 9 ones, so its square will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then reverse 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Another special number 11 square is already known, 121. It contains no zero in between these two ones. Now the next number is 101, containing 1 0, then containing 2 0, then containing 3 0. Square of such numbers is written as 102. This one will be increased by 1. So it becomes 102, then back 01. 1002, then 001. 100002, 0001. These are the squares. Here it contains 8 zeros in between these two ones. So 1, then 8 zeros, then this one will become 2, then reverse. So these are some methods to get the squares of numbers easily. Thanks for watching video.